Gonna get out on this ride today. Gonna talk about motivation. $7:01 cold start. Already then. Gonna talk about motivation. And it might be tough to make some content for the remainder of the year. Motivation. The motivation is to grow my channel. The motivation is to make this thing bigger and better. Part of that is, you know, maybe finding different bikes to ride and new experiences. So I'm really looking to save up for a new bike. Thinking I really love this FTR flat tracker inspired bike. I really love that one. And it's a lot like my old FZ09 that I used to ride as part of my channel. Definitely check out my older videos, check out that content. And they've made this overtime bonus at work that has made it more viable for me to spend a little bit more time working. And because of that, it's going to be harder to put out the content I want to make. So bear with me, guys. I'm working, I'm out here grinding, and we're gonna see what we could do. Hoping to pick up a new bike, you know, by next season. We'll see. Anyway, guys, come along for the ride. I got some possibilities today. Get the drone up in the old sand pit. So come along, we're gonna have some fun. Alright, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania. Love you guys. Whew. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Welcome to Underdog Moto Mania, where this is what we do and this is how we fucking do it. Ha! Almost missing my fucking turn. Oh yeah. Oh man. Woo! Feel today a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit in August in Western New York. Feels beautiful. Gonna get out there in this beautiful country air. Yeehaw. Look at the sky. It looks like we have storm clouds, but really the chance of rain is very low. And the weather, honestly, is just perfect. This is the type of weather that I myself love to ride in. 70 degrees, a little bit cool. Get to wear this gear that flows good air, and it's so comfortable. Minty! On her fucking phone? Okay, bud. I wonder why she couldn't be bothered to wave. She would have killed me. She would have killed you, boy. Yeehaw! This is exactly where I thought it was. Chug. Chug. Here's my dead end. There's nothing down here, so let's see if we can this looks even more legit today. Oh man, it's a little scarier up here by myself just to go up that. Whew. Okay, hey buddy, hey. I saw him. Woo! Deer. My buddy. Hi, buddy. Okay, bud. Fudge. Kickstand. There you go. Woo! I like that. There you are. felt good. Felt good. Whew. Okay, I do feel like I'm making progress on my wheelies. But we haven't done this for a while. But anyway, guys, thanks for coming out on this ride with me today. Getting a little bit better on the wheelies. Love this bike. Couldn't find the sand pit today. I gotta review my footage where when I went up there with Garrett. See if I can find it next time, or just, you know, have him show me where it is again. Definitely gotta ride with him again. But anyway, thanks for coming out. It was a pretty good ride. Got a couple good wheelies. Went up the hill climb again. Good times. Good times. But if you like what you've seen today, won't you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania. More things to come. Highly motivated, highly motivated. Gonna work some OT. Want to add another bike to my channel, not only for commuting, because it'd be a bigger, smoother bike for the road, but just to get some new people in while still doing a lot of the same stuff. Shit, if I get that Indian FTR, I will be wheeling it. It should be fairly similar to my FZ09. So let's see what we can do. Hopefully that bike is in my future. Stay tuned to find out. Making progress. We out here grinding. Let's go. Love you guys. Peace. Coming in for landing. Landing 3, 2, 1. I know you guys enjoy this drone. Perfect landing. Always grab it from the back. Propellers high, safe. Propellers low, no bueno. Maybe first gear. So maybe they're right about first gear. I mean, I could feel it around 8 miles an hour that I could pull it up smooth and controlled without being rah, rah. So maybe they're on to something with that first.
Bumpers. We made it.
Oh man. Alright guys. Peace.